We are waiting here for a long time, no?
Yeah, Gautam is so busy nowadays.
After going abroad, he has changed a lot.
Hey! Oh. Hello? Is it a data center issue? Yeah, we'll connect you shortly. TK. TK. Hey, hi! Sorry, guys. Hey, come on! I was traveling across the countries. Little busy. Try to understand.
You mean we are jobless?
Hey, come on! In today's situation, do you think just a college degree is enough? Last time, I recommended you all to join Data Center Administrator course in DreamsPlus. Did you? Huh? Hey, give me a minute. Oh my god, I forgot. Oof. I'm sorry. Got some work, please.
Has become so techy, no?
Done.
Hey, how did you become so smart, man?
Friends, though I was a very average student in our class, today I'm on a very good position. It's all because of the training that I took in DreamsPlus.
Oh, is it? They would give you a job with your certificate.
Come on, guys! Be serious. First, do the Data Center Administrator course with DreamsPlus. 1,000 plus IT jobs are waiting for you. You have seen my growth. Trust go. Join DreamsPlus. DreamsPlus, building career values for you.